Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop running background apps on Android step by step. So let's get straight into it. Now, let's say if something app is being stubborn or glitched, you can kill its process entirely, or you can stop apps you are currently using from staying active in the recent state. So what we are need to do is go on our phone to the settings and open up, then to the apps and select or see all apps or something. Now let's go all apps and select the specific app you want to stop. So let's say I want to stop, let's say, these shots like that. And what I can do here is force stop. This kills the app until you manually open it again. So force stop, OK, and that's basically it. So this is how you can uh, stop running background apps on Android. Now, what also you can do here is you can select here app and then tap battery. So app battery usage. And you can restrict, so allow background usage. You see here we have optimized unrestricted, so I have it under the optimized, but if I don't allow background usage, I can just close that, and now it won't be in the background, so it won't take much usage of my phone. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.